Hey y'all, it's Ker-Leen. Thank you so much for tuning back into LeMomLife. On this channel, I do lifestyle, luxury, homeschool, and review videos. So if those are things that interest you, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. In today's video, I am doing an unboxing. Recently, my hubby gifted me this item for our anniversary, which falls around Valentine's Day every single year. We celebrate the day we met versus the day we actually became a couple because it was a very special day. So that was the anniversary, and on my wish list had been this particular item for quite some time. And I'm talking about a Saint Laurent card case. I've been looking to get a card case, and my wallet right now is a compact wallet. I've worn it out, and I really wanted a card case as my next small leather good. Here it is right here. So it came in this box right here, and I will put in clips of me unboxing this for you guys. Pardon the unboxing, my hands are dry and my nails were not done. Don't mind that, but yes. So let's go ahead and do kind of another unboxing on camera here. This is what it came in. There was a ribbon, a black ribbon on the box as well. And when you open it up, this is what you see. It comes in a little dust bag. And then it has this packet, which has the card of authenticity in here. And then I also got this envelope here, which this envelope here contains the receipt and other pertinent information. Here it is. So there is the beauty. So beautiful, so beautiful. So as I mentioned, this is a piece that I have been waiting for a little bit because I wanted to make an informed decision. Whenever I purchase anything luxury, it takes me a while to decide on something. I go back and forth, I watch reviews, and I really try to make an informed decision because I'm someone that when I purchase something, I want to absolutely love it. And I am so excited about this card case. I purchased this really fun color because initially I wanted it in pink, but pink was not available at the moment. And I wanted to purchase it directly from the fashion house. I didn't want to purchase it through anyone online. They're not available right now. So this was my choice of color. I think this is the mustard. And I love this because it's colorful, but it's a colorful that can transition into my collection for year-round use, no matter what I'm wearing and no matter what bag I'm using at the moment. So I really love this color. It is so gorgeous. And I also love the hardware. It's gold, but it's a nice complementary gold. And I just think it is so beautiful against that orangey mustard color. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compartments. And it's also not very stiff. Like I can get it open very easily, but I feel like my cards would be nice and secure in here. I will definitely do another video where I am just showing you guys how it fits my cards and things so you can see how much fits in here. But I'm just loving this. I cannot wait to put my cards in here and to put it into my handbags and start using it. I'm so excited about it. So just wanted to share that with you guys. The one thing I will say, because of the snowstorm, I will give them a little bit of pass, but the shipping was way too stressful. After I ordered, I didn't know where my item was. Like, they don't provide shipping information on the YSL website, so keep that in mind. I had to call. They did send a tracking number after a while through FedEx, but with FedEx, they don't necessarily update every step in the delivery process. It was like days before I knew where my package was. And honestly, when I received it, the last thing on FedEx was that it was in New Jersey, and I live in Florida. And so I had received it before they even updated to let me know it was in Florida. So it was just a mess. So if you don't desire a particular color that's only available on the website, I would suggest purchasing from YSL through your department stores like Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's, Neiman Marcus, Bergdorf Goodman, and just try to avoid the fashion house itself, because I thought they were going to be more helpful. They were not. I called and they basically looked up the same thing that I was able to see. So she told me she saw what I saw on FedEx, which was not helpful at all. And so I would suggest going through a department store if you don't have a particular knack for a particular color. That is the only downside to this whole thing. That being said, I'm super excited. I finally did receive my item and I'm loving it. And so I just wanted to share it with you guys. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more of my luxury videos, because luxury videos are a love of mine. So stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys in another video.